Myself Dr. Samir Kale. I am practicing homeopathy in last 10 years. I want to share one of my case with Dr. Praveen Pente sir. This is a case of my father-in-law. In last September 2020, my father-in-law was suffering from the severe respiratory distress with the fever and body ache. As saturation was the SpO2 is saturation is the 70. Then we shift to the near tertiary care center. The physician was shifted him to the ICU and started all the treatment with a high grade of antibiotics, meropenem, mucomycin, and also low molecular heparin and all methylprednisolos. But there is no any improvement in the case. Physician says it is a COVID-like disease, and at that time it is not confirmed diagnosis done by the physician. Then we done the RT-PCR, rapid antigen, HRCT. The early investigation is like a COVID. Then physician says that I want to start the remdesivir. Then he start the remdesivir of 6 dose, but no significant result in the case. And in between that, I have prescribed the phosphorus, Kalicarb, but not significant relief. The patient is on the O2 of 4 to 8 liters, with maintain the 70 to 80, not more than the 80. The physician says that all the medicines was given to the patient, and now the day of 10 days of the hospitalization. I think so he needs the oxygen therapy lifetime. Then I was confused. What can I do now? Then just one name in my mind, Dr. Praveen Pente sir. I have seen so many cases with Praveen Pente sir, like a pathological cases. Then I called to the Dr. Praveen Pente sir and tell the all scenario of the case. Sir says, okay, no problem, sir. I will try my level best. Then sir will take the case and the sir prescribe the opium 1 TDS. After the given the opium 1 TDS, on the first day I see the magical result. The patient was improving. He was taking intake and output was very good. On the next day, the saturation was put up to the 80 on the oxygen 4 liter, and the third day the patient saturation is the more than 90. Then physician says, oh, it is very good. Now we can drop the oxygen by liter. Then he takes the oxygen on 3 liter, then 2 liter and 1 liter, and the saturation was in between to 85 to 95, 85 to 95. Then physician says, okay, now we can drop the saturation, O2, drop the O2. Then O2 was reduced by 1 by 1, and the of O2 he maintained the high saturation 85 to 90. Then physician says, okay, it is good. Then Dr. Praveen Pente says, don't worry, you can give the doses of opium with water potency, and the patient was good result with improving. I would see the approach of Praveen Pente sir in that case. The sir was giving the opium to the patient according to the all scenario of the case and the symptom similarity and the pathology of the case. I was just giving the one message to the all homeopaths. In last year, I was conduct the one pathological camp in my hospital under the guidance of the Praveen Pente sir and Dr. Neha Pente madam. They was come to my clinic, and we are seeing the so many cases of cancer, CP, renal failures, and DVT, and also surgical cases. With the good technique, how he observe the case, how he can understand the all the scenario, and how we will talk to the patient, and has a main thing is a knowledge of allied science, and as approach to the case is the very good. And since from that day I have the practice under the Dr. Praveen Pente sir in the pathological cases with the good result. This is a and see the friend, this is the result of homeopathy, and this is a miracle of homeopathy. If you go through the right approach and right method, you will definitely give the result is in your side. Thank you, Praveen Pente sir. Thank you.